Welcome to part 3, the fastest few minutes you'll spend today. We're doing 2 things that unlock everything else. Topping up your SMS credits, so you can actually send messages. Creating your first reusable template, so you never type the same message twice. Watch this once and you'll be ready to blast campaigns in seconds. Let's go! First, credits. Look at the top of your sidebar, you'll see your current SMS units. Under Management Account, click By Credits. Pick any package, even the smallest one works for testing. For this tutorial we will be using the pay-as-you-go plan. Enter the credits you need to calculate the number of credits you will get, then proceed. You will be redirected to another page to complete your payment. Choose your payment method, fill in the payment form, then proceed with payment. Once done, the SMS unit's balance updates instantly. Watch the number jump and the red warning disappear if you were low below the set threshold. Done! Note that the credits are non-expiry and are cumulative, in that you can keep topping up and keep the previously bought credits. Next we will be looking at creating SMS templates. Now let's make a template so you don't waste time typing. Open SMS templates. Click Create Template. Name it something obvious, e.g. 50% off flash sale. Type your message, you can even add name for personalization. Hit Create Template. That's it, your template is now in the library forever. Just click Use Template anytime you want to use the template when sending bulk SMS.